Are you ready to take your construction business to the next level?
I needed some additional support and help, and that's why I've come to the Trade Mastermind.
It's totally changed my mindset of where I wanted to go, and it kind of makes you realise you do need to spend the money to get it back.
Join us for an exclusive one-day construction bootcamp and unlock the secrets to building a scalable, systemisable and sellable business. With us, you'll learn the 3 secrets to success: high converting leads, home sales mastery, streamlined systems.
The structure that they give you, we all know a little bit of what to do, but then they just put it into a package and effectively show you the path and let you walk down it.
Rub shoulders with industry giants Joseph Valente and Chris Ruggiero. Improve your work-life balance by getting the best jobs in your diary.
I think it's been amazing. The speakers are learning by being here. You've just got to take a jump and go for it.
Learn how to close deals in the home. Generate consistent leads with the right marketing for your industry. Increase sales, expand profits, and grow your income over the next 6 weeks. Still wondering if this is for you?
I think I found what I need to invest in. Yeah, there's some strategy calls that I have to make, taking myself out of the business.
Have £150 million of increased revenue for 322 businesses we have coached. 100 businesses have achieved 7-figure revenues. Join our free Discovery Day